Start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis since the price was within here, we mentioned we can look at this one as a flat and we can, if we get any opportunity for buy there based on 1 hour or lower time frame, we will take it. There was opportunity to buy from here, or even we mentioned we can put a warrant tree above the top, but as a short term, all right? And since we get this corrective move, for me, I didn't keep the trade. And for those traders, if they get any trade within this month, within this correction, at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Anyway, we move to daily chart. Still, we are within the daily correction. And we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy within this one, we will take it. And we're looking to see the breakout of 1.23 following by 1.42. All right. And if we see the breakout of 1.42, then we will give an update on 27 and 61% of this move. What will be the targets? And as I say, if you get an opportunity based on lower time frame, we will take it. And if we move to forward chart, now the question is whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect to get one more drop before we get a reversal. All right. First, I don't think we can put this one in relative to this, because in that case, we need to consider this one as internally 3 waves as a 1, 2, 3 internal correction relative to this and this. The reason is we cannot put this one in relative to this move. All right. This one is really sharp and this one is not as sharp as what we have here. And the second one, if you put this low relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we cannot refer to the divergence. All right. That's why we have the second possibility. We get one more drop before we get the reversal. That means we put the last one in relative to this and this one in relative to this. And this one will be as a 3 wave internally, as a 1, 2, 3 wave internally, as a 1, 2, 3 bigger correction in relative to the first and the last. All right, we need to know about this option as well. That means we can expect this correction to be more complex. All right, as I say, we can expect to get one more drop. We need to be aware. But now the question is whether we should wait for one more drop before we get the reversal, or if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. What I suggest, if we get any opportunity for buy within this range, we will take it. But if we see there is no continuation, it turns to a corrective move, we should know that the possibility for the price drop to complete this correction is very high before we get the next move. Now, that depends on the traders, how they want to look for trade. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy from here, with the breakout of any of the stop is really important for us, and even 1.23. But as what we can see here, we don't see any trade setup. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even based on a 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. Unless the price consolidate here another a few hours, then maybe we can take the trade as a short term. That means if we get any opportunity for buy, as long as the price haven't break 1.23, any trade within this one will be a short-term trade. And with the break, if I move to forward chart with the breakout of 1.23 as a, with the breakout of the 1.23, the targets we can look for as a short-term 1.28, following by 1.35, and then we look to see the breakout of 1.42. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.